Hello everyone, this is Stephanie Manriquez. So today I'll be giving my presentation on the comparison of two applications. The first application is the consumer side. We'll be talking about Hinge Health. Hinge Health. So we're going to be talking about what the application does, what data is obtained by using this application, how's the data helping individuals, clients, patients reach their goals, and how is this data being shared with other providers. We're also going to be talking about costs, remembering to use the app, and tech support. So Hinge Health. Hinge Health. It's a personal application for people who are dealing with chronic joint pain. It's a way to step away from surgery. So it is a personalized one-on-one coaching for people to do exercise therapy. So what they do is they will provide a tablet and sensors, as you can see here, where some of this data is collected. It has your heart rate and also making sure that you're not injuring yourself and not pushing yourself too much before hurting yourself even more. So with this personal exercise, you're able to gather data, and this data can be shared with your coach, trainer, and also with your different doctors. It is secured. There is different ways of authenticating this information. You will have a user and name and password, and also for the other person to use. The coaching, they are trained not to share all this information, but you are also to achieve your goals. There's different ways of educating yourself. And you'll have different support within the tablet as well. You can also get different notifications through the tablet, and it can be connected through the app itself. So if you have your phone, it is right in front of you. With this, a lot of insurances are covering it, so I would definitely recommend to check if you are covered and if you do qualify with your job. The second application is on the provider side. So what we'll be talking about is Tellus More EMR Mobile. We'll be talking about what the app does, how providers achieve better care, and their outcomes. We'll be talking about their competitors and how ethically and confidentially it is done. Data can be done by integrating different workflows, and we're going to be talking about costs. So Tellus EMR Mobile is a way for providers to look at their schedules, emails, notifications, instead of being at the work desk. You can also be able to look at patient information at the tip of your fingers. You can log in through different systems, or it can be integrated with different systems, and be able to look at patient information and edit information in your lab reports in a timely, faster, more efficient way. So you can also upload pictures, and it's more convenient and effective. There is also different ways to integrate with other systems, like I mentioned before, but there are two different versions. There is a basic version, which I am showing here, and then there is a more where you can add add-ons, where you can do more online booking, and this is what separates them from their competitors. With their competitors, it's usually meant for the providers, but this is also for the whole practice itself. It can be used for staff, but there's different ways for staff to get involved. They'll have different usernames. It is HIPAA compliant, and it makes everything easier for the whole practice to be within one application. Yet it is still easy to integrate with others. You'll also be getting notifications on your phone or through the app, depending on how you're using it. If you are using it on a tablet, you can also receive tech support. And since this is another way to talk to other specialties, if you have to refer a patient, it is right there at your fingertips. and different ways to communicate with different providers and sending patient information to the referral through the referral process. So my references are mentioned here, and they can be all found within the website. I also did forget to mention that the cost of this was not able to find about the cost. I would have to speak to a representative, but I have heard wonderful news, great news about this application within different practices.